Okay, I'm Audie with Hot Rod's Renegade Lights, and what we're doing today is we're installing the new 4-channel remote where we can now control air ride, lights, pretty much anything with 12 volts you can control with this remote. You might have a seat heater, a seat vibrator, a horn, LED lights, air ride. Whatever you have that's 12 volts and you want to be able to access by remote, this is the remote to do it. Basically what we did is we went ahead and stuck the remote inside behind the fender. It was the place where we had the most clearance for the brain. We put it in there, we wired it in. We had to use one channel of the remote, which is channel 1, to control just the airing up or the upside of the air ride. So basically what we do when we hit channel 1, the bike starts to lift. When you're ready for it to stop, all you have to do is hit the off button on channel 1, like that. If you want to air down, you hit the on button of channel 2, and it activates the air relief valve on the air ride. Then you make sure to close your valve by hitting the off button. We have a little skull up here with some LED lights on the front of the bike. On to turn it on, off to turn it off, and then of course we have our LED system on the bike, as you can see, and just like everything else, off. So we can actually turn our lights on, we can air up, we can air down, we can turn on our skull eyes, all from one remote. And the cool thing about that is we went ahead and left the switch for the air ride, the manual switch, so we could still air up and air down without using the remote. So basically, we went ahead and piggybacked onto the electrical system of the air ride, and that by piggybacking in, that's what allowed us to keep our toggle switch here underneath the coil cover, so that we can air up and down manually. So we don't have to have the remote with us to use the air ride. But if you want to show off from far away, or you want to reach in your pocket and turn it on, you can do so now with this remote. So there we go. Don't forget to check us out on our website, renegadelights.com, or come to a rally, check us out. You can check for which rallies we're going to be at on the internet. So renegadelights.com. Thank you. My name's Audie McGuire from Hot Rod's Renegade Lights. Appreciate your time.